Now we're gonna make this great little Father's Day gift. So let's get started. Ahead of time, what I did was I took a chopstick and I just took a piece of ribbon, dovetailed the ends, and made a flag that says #1 Dad. And I used our rhinestone mesh and some sticky glitter paper. So I'm gonna put that aside because we're gonna come back to it. And I'll take my Bowdabra. I've got my Bowdabra bow wire, folded it in half, and I'm just gonna tuck the ends underneath the Bowdabra just to keep them out of the way. Then I'm gonna take this really nice ribbon and I'm gonna scrunch it into my Bowdabra. And then this last part, I'm just gonna tuck under and tuck it in. Then I'm gonna take this ribbon and I'm just gonna let's push this aside, dovetail the ends. So the way that you dovetail is you're just going to cut from the end into the fold at an angle. And there you have your really pretty dovetails. So I'm gonna take my picks and just lay my picks into my Bowdabra. Then I'm gonna take my dovetailed ribbon and lay that in. And then I have another piece and I'm just gonna lay that. And then I'm gonna take another piece of dovetailed, put that in here, take another piece here and scrunch that in. Then what I'm gonna do is take my Bowdabra bow wire, pull it up and pull it through my slip knot, which is why I always fold it in half. Hold my bow really tight while I pull it tight in the Bowdabra. Then I'm gonna separate the ends. Again, I'm gonna pull it tight, bring it around to the back, tie a knot. And what's cool with the Bowdabra bow wire is it's very malleable and very strong. So now I'm gonna take my cool organizing pick. I'm just gonna shape this bow a little bit, but then I'll shape it more once I get it into, bring my picks around here. And now I'm going to take my wire and use my Bowdabra bow wire to tie the bow onto the mega big paper clip, which I bought at a dollar store. So now I'm gonna knot this. So this is a very, very inexpensive gift to make. And double knot it. And I'll just clip my ends. And bring the bow underneath here and kind of shape it around. And then I'll take my #1 Dad and just stick this down in here, right into my little paper clip like that. And you have this perfect Father's Day gift. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe below and comment to let me know what type of videos you'd like me to make in the future or that you'd like to see me do on my Facebook Lives. Bye.